formation, people, and keep alert. This sector's supposed to be crawling with Vakar fighters. Casey, anything on the scanners? Never mind.
We got 5 Krakow-class interceptors coming in hot and heavy, Case.
Cover me!
Come on, Case. All right, shoot. Got 2 breaking formation, Case. All right, Case, you got one coming up. He's waiting. Right in front of you. Come on, Case, shoot. Got him! We got him! Oh, shit, we got an outage on nav control. Collision in 8, 7, 6.
Casey, this is Ari. Look, your ejection pod hit some debris. You got hit pretty bad, but the medtechs are trying to fix you up with life support and artificial senses.
You just hang in there, Case. You can be okay.
Switch on neural interface.
You got it.
Casey? It's Ari. Hi. Look. Your mind has been placed in a cerebral support mechanism. It's a device that when...
She's trying to say you're a brain in a box, Case.
Zach, could you let me handle this, please?
Oh.
Look, it's kind of hard to explain. Here, why don't I let you take a look at yourself? Now, you may not look the same on the outside, but I know it's you on the inside. And we need to know if you can respond. If you can, use the virtual interface in front of you to transmit a yes. Glad to see you still got your sense of humor.
Hey, Case, you probably haven't heard, but the war is over. We flamed their butts at Exeter 3. Vakar lost a third of their fleet. They went running with their tails between their legs straight to the Taladarans, practically begged them to negotiate a peace treaty. You know, of course, that put us out of a job, but, you know, hey, war is hell, right?
So right now you're aboard the Artemis, finest salvage vessel in the sector. Zach and I cobbled her together from a couple of surplus Alliance transports.
Oh, not to mention the engines that we sort of borrowed from an Orion-class destroyer. May not look like much on the outside, but she could tug terra firma right out of orbit.
Well, we thought we'd help salvage some of the Vakar ships we helped disable.
That's the very least we could do. The way we see it, there's a lot of very tasty salvage just floating around out there, ripe for the picking.
And we figure you'd be interested in joining us. So, we liberated you from the lab.
Yeah.
Zach wired your interface into the ship systems.
It's good to have you back, Casey. So what do you say, guys? Let's do some hunting. Oh man, we've been poking around the sector for 2 days now. Maybe we finally got something. Activating view screens. Oh, Vakar freighter. Fat and juicy. Hey, Case, what do you say? You want to take your new equipment for a test drive?
Why don't you go ahead and activate your remote control probe, Casey? See if you can get us a better look at this derelict. Opening probe bay doors now.
Casey, I gotta ask you, what does it feel like having your eyes and ears floating around in a little ball while the rest of you's back here with us?
Knock it off, Zach.
I'm just asking Casey a question.
Okay, Casey, your guidance system's pretty much automatic, so you can concentrate on the job. Most other functions are up to you.
Whoa. Close call there, buddy. Collision avoidance seems to be working.
All right, let's try your computer link, see how it works. Why don't you run an ID check on this pile of junk, see if you can get the name of the ship, and maybe get some idea of what the cargo might have been.
Okay, you're coming up on some cargo door controls. Right there, Case. Alright, now try using your laser torch, upper right-hand switch. Should pump enough juice into the system, pop that door wide open.
Be careful, Casey. Vakar have been known to booby trap their hulks.
Nice job, Casey.
Dark in there. Better kick in the floodlight.
Whoa! God, those things are ugly.
Why, Zach? I always thought you found aliens quite attractive.
Hey. I was drunk that night, you know that. And besides, it swore to me that it was female.
Casey, stop there. Let's get a good look around this place.
Hey, wait, what's that?
Yeah, Casey, can you grab that floating object? Good. Now run an analysis on it.
Well, at least we got a nice souvenir.
No way. It's a Vakar war medal, Zach. Belongs with their dead. May as well come on in, Casey. It's just not our day.
This whole sector's picked clean. We need to go further out.
I agree. But where? The Magellan Cluster? Sirius? LV-426?
Oh, not there. Know what I was thinking about? Remember that time we surprised the hell out of that wing of that car cruiser just asleep at the wheel?
Yeah, Mizar system, right?
Yeah, man, I never saw so many ejection pods in my life.
Wait, you want to go back to Mizar?
Why not? Harry, I doubt anybody's been out there since the war.
No, it's too close to the Vakar border. We'd be violating the Taladaran Treaty.
So, who's gonna know?
Doesn't sound like such a good idea to me, Zach.
Come on, Harry, what are you afraid of? We don't have to go by the book anymore.
Welcome home, dear.
Oh, Casey, you're back. Look, I say we take a vote. Who's for going to Mizar? Oh, come on, Ari. It's not like it's in Vakar space. It's a buffer zone. Nobody even patrols out there. You know, there's gonna be some tasty salvage.
Yeah? Ah, I don't know why I let you talk me into these things.
Maybe you let me talk you into something else someday.
I heard that.
I know you were supposed to. Hey, Case, what do you say? Mizar? No? Well, guess what? You're not only a weenie, you're outvoted. Ha!
Okay, then. Mizar it is.
We got a nice clear terminus. 190 million clicks off the stellar midpoint.
Let's do it.
wake up. You okay?
Oh, jeez, you say I'm a lousy pilot. Look at this.
Damn it, Zach, you're the one that told me this position was clear.
That's what the scanner said.
Just run some instrument checks. Let's see what kind of damage we sustained.
Harry, scanners only pick up metal and rock. This thing must be made of something else.
Ah, shit. Every one of our drive systems is down, even thrusters.
Oh, great. Great, so we're dead in the... You want to hear the good news or the bad news?
Good news?
There is none. Bad news is this thing's hurtling straight for the sun's corona. It's taking us with it.
And there's no way to get clear without our thrusters. Do we still have short-range communications?
Yeah.
Send a distress call.
To who? What, you think this thing is a ship?
Zach, I don't know, but maybe whoever or whatever's on board can help us.
Yeah, if they're not too torqued at you for bashing in their front door.
Zach, just do it.
All right, sending distress signal. Jeez.
Casey, why don't you run an ID check? See if there's any known ship with a configuration like that.
Oh, here's a big surprise. Unknown.
Any response to our distress call?
Zip, dead air.
So, either we figure out how to alter our course
We're toast.
in about 4 hours.
Great. This is great.
Casey, better activate your probe. Let's see what we're dealing with out there. Opening probe bay doors now. Be careful, Casey.
Seen anything like this.
I doubt any human has.
Is it some kind of composite, alloy, or secreted material? I mean, did they build this stuff or grow it? This is a complete unknown, Harry.
Galaxy's full of unknowns, my young son. I mean, look, they didn't even discover the Titan rock dwellers till 4 years ago, and that was in our own system.
Oh, yeah. I remember hearing that. The miners sunk a shaft right into the main colony. Practically wiped out the whole race before that exolinguist established communications.
Yeah, well, let's be careful, because you're no exolinguist.
Hey, I happen to speak 27 languages.
Yeah, 3 phrases. More beer, where's the head, and maybe you want to come by and see.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, what's that?
I don't know, meteor hit?
I don't think so. Hold your position, Casey. Zach and I are joining you.
Whoa, we are?
You got a better idea?
Guess we don't have much of a choice. All right, let's suit up.
Casey, I'm gonna check my headset cam now.
Here's mine, Case.
Stand by, we're on our way, Casey.
Man, I thought I'd seen everything.
almost looks like it was alive once, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's nice to know the old galaxy's still got a few surprises left for us. Hey, come on, Harry, this is just like the old days, isn't it?
I was kind of hoping the old days were over.
Oh, come on, tell me you don't find this stuff exciting anymore.
The only thing that excites me is staying alive.
Well, it's definitely a ship.
No sign of the crew, of course. They must have evacuated this section.
We got blown out when it decompressed.
We can't see much, Casey. Drop inside and throw some more light around there.
Let's do it. Looks like a lube rack in a maintenance bay.
Oof. Artificial gravity. About 70-80% of Terra normal.
Oh, Harry, check this out. What the hell is this stuff?
Be careful. We can't tell what anything is until we find the life forms that built all this. Hey, come over here. Found something. Might be a door.
Oh, let's blast it and find out.
No, blast it and you could decompress the entire ship. Now, if we get through quickly enough and reseal it, the ship should cycle back to normal.
Fair enough. How do we get through?
Let's give Casey a chance.
Oh, come on, Casey can't even touch the thing. No offense, Case.
Well, touching it hasn't helped us. We need another approach. Go ahead, Casey, give it a try. You got it.
Oh, great. Great, now we're stuck in here. Hey, where are you going?
Can feel pressure. Ship's cycling back to normal, just like I said.
Yeah, Harry, but cycling to what? There could be methane coming out of there, or carbon monoxide.
Just check your gauges, Zach. There's oxygen, some argon, xenon, nitrogen levels okay. No serious toxins. It's breathable.
Well, might as well give it a try. We're not gonna get far on suit oxygen. Here goes. Seems okay. A little damp, though.
What do you think you're doing?
Ditch the E-suit.
Stick to standard procedures, Zach.
Oh, come on. Screw standard procedures. Commander Ariel B. Matheson, 1st Squadron. Retired. We're not Terra Fleet anymore. Come on, the E-suits are too bulky. Make better time without them.
You better hope we don't wind up regretting this.
Case. Let's go over and check out this map. Harry, what the hell is that thing?
I don't know. Maybe one of our hosts?
Hosts? Harry?
Oh my god.
Yeah, he's an ugly son of a bitch, isn't he?
That's the reason for the hole in the other room.
What?
Ship's been invaded by Kryn.
Wait. Kryn, aren't they the...
Yeah, kind of like piranhas. Could be thousands of them in here.
That's great. Whoa, what's that? Built-in flashlight?
I don't know. Casey opened the door with light pulses. Maybe it's one of the ways they communicate.
drill sergeant's head. Kryn can do this. And these things are armor plated. Things must have got pretty hairy around here before the end.
Well, Admiral Hardwick always said the most terrifying thing he ever saw was a full-scale Kryn attack.
Old man Hardwick actually talked to you?
Actually, we got along quite well.
Yeah, I bet.
Ooh, look at this.
Think it's dead?
Yeah, I'd say so. Let's try opening this thing. Oh, we're not getting through here.
Wait a minute. I bet Casey can make it through.
I bet you're right. Go ahead, Casey, see if you can make it through.
You look like you got the crap beat out of you. Casey, what do we have here? Huh.
It's beautiful.
Better hold on to it. You never know if we ever get out of here. It'll be worth something.
What's going on? I thought Casey was the only one that could open these.
I don't know. Maybe those other doors needed Casey to override the locking mechanism because of decompression. There. Get a load of these things. Looks like a huge sink. It's filled with water. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Oh, Zach, you always did know how to make me laugh.
What the hell are you looking at, Cyclops?
Though, Harry, look, it's a sink. Really?
You don't get what's so damn funny, all right? That was an honest mistake.
Oh, trust me, Zach, from my angle, it was hilarious.
Can we just go now?
Oh, no. You first. Now that you're all refreshed.
More crane casualties. Look at this, Harry. There's no sign of any weapons whatsoever. These guys didn't even put up a fight.
Maybe they didn't have any weapons.
Oh, come on. They built a spaceship half the size of a small planet. You tell me they don't have the technology to build a simple laser?
No, I'm saying maybe they chose not to. Maybe they're a peaceful race.
Yeah, well, they're real peaceful now.
Look up ahead.
Yeah, another door.
Yeah, but this one is different. Hey, Casey, we can't come up with anything here. All these doors are sealed. We need your help to open them. Let's start with the one to the left of the door we came in.
right, Casey. Stay left, Zach.
Yeah, you know, I just noticed something. You're giving an awful lot of orders for civilian.
I do outrank you.
No, you did outrank me, and the only reason you did was because you were a lot better at kissing ass than I was.
Oh, everything I got, I earned the hard way. Just because you kept getting busted for insubordination.
Oh, hey, I know what you're talking about, okay? You know that wasn't my fault.
Oh, the hell it wasn't. You went out of your way to disobey the orders. You never could accept rank and authority.
Let me explain something to you, okay? If I take an order from you, it's because I choose to. Got it? Where the hell are you going? What, is she pissed at you too? Well,
Let's try this way.
I choose to. What was that?
I don't know, but it's coming from over there. Grin!
Jesus, Aaron, it sounds like thousands of them. Well, where the hell are they? Harry.
You can't see us.
What?
Must be using these air ducts to get around the ship. They could be everywhere by now.
Well, that's great. That's just terrific. It is a little too close for comfort for me, okay?
I agree, let's get out of here.
I'm right in front of you. Hey, are you getting a weird feeling like the hair on the back of your neck wants to stand on end?
Yeah. Kinda like we just walked into an intense electromagnetic field.
Yeah. Gary, wait a minute. This looks familiar, look. Generator, power conduits, emergency cooling. This has got to be an engine room.
My. You just may be right this time.
You know, you don't have to act so surprised.
I am. Okay, let's split up and look around. Casey, you take the left corridor. Oh, nothing around here. You found anything that looked like a nav console?
Nah, nothing like that. Did see a thing that looked like a big old hot tub. I was thinking maybe you and me, we go down there, you know, splash around, splash. Or not.
Come on, Zach! Wake up! Zach! Come on! Zach! Great idea, the body armor. Great idea. Come on, Zach. Wake up. Oh, now what? Oh, it's an elevator. Oh, I'm getting too old for this shit. Hey, Casey. Remember right after basic? We were dying to get into a real war. We weren't even ready. I guess nobody is. Combat changes people. Zach got crazier. I just got tougher. I had to keep him alive. But not you, Case. Nah. You never changed. We knew we could depend on you. You're always there for us. Straight and steady. But now you've changed too. Is it still you in there, Casey? Do you still feel?
Sure would be nice to hear your voice again. I think the medtechs were working on a speech interpolation system when we pulled you from the lab. I'm sorry we were in such a hurry.
You know, when we get out of this thing, I'm gonna find you somebody that can build your voice. That's a promise.
Did I miss anything?
Almost. How's your head?
Feels like you got stuck in a power loader's claw.
Fourth floor, ladies' lingerie.
That's supposed to be funny? Oh.
Very impressive.
Yeah? What the hell is it?
Well, your guess is as good as mine. Looks important, though. Wonder how you activate it. Zach!
Hey, looks on my console.
Casey, why don't you see if you can figure this thing out? You check over there.
Wow, look at that. It's beautiful.
Yeah. Graveyards usually are.
So we think maybe some kind of sundial?
Not sure.
Harry. Harry? If you're through fantasizing about me, I'd like to find a way out of here. You want to keep looking around?
Yeah, we gotta find those nav controls.
Casey, why don't you keep working on this? It might help. Listen, I think we've done enough looking around here, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's meet up and move out.
Wait. You hear that?
It's coming from the bodies.
Oh, shit! Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Casey, can you hear me?
All right, Case, we thought we lost you there for a minute.
Yeah, Zach and I had to carry you back here.
Yeah, speaking of which, next time they build one of you guys, they should really include some handles.
Well, looks like everything's up and running again. It's a good thing, too, because we need you to open another door.
Go to it, Case.
Casey.
Oh, this is amazing. Look at the size of it.
Harry, I can't even see the bottom here.
I wonder what this is for.
I guess we're gonna find out. It's not funny.
Be careful.
Did you feel that?
Yeah. Was it good for you? Oh man, do you think this is real?
Even this ship isn't that big. It's gotta be a projection. Or an illusion.
Hey, wait. Maybe that energy field we went through before somehow, transported us to the home world.
Transported.
Yeah.
You've been watching too many old Star Trek reruns.
Harry, it's fresh air. There's even a breeze. This is an illusion. It's pretty damn convincing. Hey, Harry, it is real. See?
Zach? Zach?
You idiot!
Harry. Harry.
Stupid idiot!
Harry, would you cut me a break, okay? This is not the time.
I don't leave you hanging there just for being so damn stupid!
Harry, come on.
Oh, God, I love you. No, up, Case. Up would be nice.
This little one. Oh!
I'm so sorry I left you hanging there. And next thing I knew you were gone. I'm so sorry.
Harry, it's okay.
No, it's not. I'm stupid. I'm supposed to be keeping you alive.
Harry.
It's my job. We're a team. I'm so sorry, Zach.
Harry. Look, you and Casey have saved my ass more times than I care to remember, but believe me, it's not your job, okay? For the life of me, I can't figure out why you keep doing it. Unless, of course, you care about me more than you'd like to admit.
Zach. It's my job.
Right.
Besides, we've always been a pretty good team, haven't we?
Yeah, the best.
The best.
Hey, Case. probably know what I'm gonna say, right? This wasn't the first time you saved my ass, and the way things are looking, it's probably not gonna be the last, right? So, I just wanted to say that I'm glad. You know, I'm glad that we're partners, is what I mean. I'm glad that I know you, that,
We still have to take a look around here. I think you can manage that.
yeah, I can manage that.
But remember, this time...
I know. Be careful. Thanks, Mom.
Thanks, Casey.
This is a weird ship.
Everything we've seen here has got to have a meaning. If we can just figure it out, we'd have the answers we need.
You might as well try and figure out why a Ragosian mudhopper mates with itself. You ever stop to think that maybe some things just are? Some things don't have answers?
No, because there are answers here, and we're gonna find them before we run out of time. You got that?
Geez, she's starting to sound more and more like old man Hardwick, isn't she?
Okay, let's keep going left, Casey.
You're a good kid. Keep up the good work. Harry, think maybe on these guys' planet, they have little human beings the size of lobsters?
Oh, Zach.
Come on, you gotta admit, some of these guys would look pretty good on a bed of lettuce with a little lemon butter sauce.
Have some respect for the dead.
Why? They're dead. What do we have here? Health spa? Barbershop? Nightclub? Hey, come on, Ari. It looks like a band. Should I ask him to play our song?
We don't have a song, Zach. If there is a nav console and all this stuff, we'd have to tear this place apart to find it. Assuming we'll even know it when we see it. I think we should take a look around.
All right. We'll go this way.
Let us know if you spot anything, Casey.
Hey, looky here. In case you found another one. Oh, Jesus, what the hell are you doing? Who's gonna clean this up?
Well, looks like Casey's figured out what this place is. Looks like a sick bay. Those have to be surgical instruments.
Well, do me a favor. If I ever need an operation, no matter how small, don't let Casey do it, okay?
This is really strange. All this armor and nothing protecting the back of their heads. Well, unless you're having better luck than I am, I think we should keep going.
No, I got nothing. Hey, Casey, if you're quite through playing doctor, we're ready to go, okay? So, get your thrusters in gear.
Okay, Casey, you're on point.
I'll say one thing about those Kryn. They sure as hell do a thorough job. Think we'll ever find any of these guys alive?
I sure hope so.
You know, it's times like this I wish I just stayed home and went to business school just like Mama wanted.
Yeah, Zach, I could just picture you crunching numbers for a living.
Well, it just so happens I have a pretty good head for figures.
Female figures don't count, Zach. Okay, Casey, time to try another one.
Case.
Hey, Harry. Back on the observation deck when you were staring at that thing, what were you thinking about?
I was deciding what to call this ship when I read it up in the log.
Hey, what's that, Hell Hive, Kryn Motel?
Daedalus.
What?
Ancient Greek mythology. To escape from the labyrinth, Daedalus made wings out of feathers and wax.
Yeah, didn't he fly too close to the sun and scorch his ass?
No, that was Icarus. Daedalus escaped. Just like we will.
Some kind of alien plant life, I guess.
Yeah, but for what? Food supply, oxygen supply?
Maybe both. Maybe neither.
Harry. No! Oh, this damn Kryn screwed up the door.
Hey, Casey, why don't you see if there's another way around this thing? Maybe you can figure out a way to open it from the other side.
What the hell was that with the gun pulling thing?
I'm sorry. It's just a reflex.
It's a reflex.
All right, Casey, you did it.
No, that's another dead end.
Come on, Zach. We've been in bad before. Remember that time on TACOW 7 when we were pinned down by two VACAR squads?
Yeah, how can I forget? They had us cold, fighter down in a gully, Vicar picking us apart from the ridge.
Right, and when we were ready to give up, Casey said, there's no such thing as a hopeless situation. Rigs the engine to create a plasma burst, and boom, took them all out.
Yeah. Yeah, alright, maybe you're right.
Good job, Casey.
My feet are starting to hurt, Harry. Why the hell didn't they put in moving walkways?
Tell me, Zach, do you complain just to make conversation? Or do you honestly enjoy it?
Jeez, Harry, my dogs are aching, okay? Have you no sympathy?
I'm saving my sympathy for you when you'll really need it. When you run out of things to complain about. Casey, see if you can figure out what these panels are for. I think we should check this out.
Whoa, Harry, that's a long way down there. Be careful.
Come on, Casey.
Stand up. Come on. Oh, yeah. Good, good. You okay? Here, boy. Stand.
Hey, Casey. Thanks. I thought I was dead there for a second.
Whoa, Casey. I'm the one who carried you back.
Oh, yeah, thanks, Zach, but it probably wasn't necessary.
That's all right. It's kind of nice actually being so close to you.
Oh, no, don't even. It'll never happen again.
Well, Mary, never say never. Let me paint the little picture for you, okay? You and me on Vega Prime. 6 full moons, out on a boat, a little lake. Some of that vegan wine you like so much. Hell, 2 bottles. Nothing to do till morning? Come on. Tell me you could pass up an offer like that.
With anyone else? No.
What? No, wait. What the hell are you looking at? She's the only woman within 9 parsecs. No, get away. Guess that just about does it then, huh?
What are you talking about?
In case you haven't noticed, Eric, we've done all 6 doors. We're fresh out of options.
No, we can backtrack and find the things we missed the first time around.
Well, we don't have time to go through this entire ship again. Getting close to that sun, remember? Might as well face it, Ari. This floating mausoleum is taking a plunge. And we're going along for the ride.
Can't give up without a fight, Zach.
You know what your problem is, Ari? You've never known when the fight is over. At least we got these.
Harry, what the hell's happening?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking? 6 orbs.
6 receptacles. Casey, you're a genius.
No shit. Right, Casey, this was your idea. Now what?
Oh, jeez, Casey!
Oh, Casey! Oh, man. What are you, a dog now? Harry?
Get rid of it. Maybe this is our ticket out of here. Or maybe not.
Oh, man.
Let's go, Casey.
Harry.
Case, I got a bad feeling about this.
We've gotten this far, Zach. Just stay cool.
Stay cool? Come on, it's gotta be 85 in here and rising.
Yes!
We got a live one, Case. Check him out. Harry, you see that?
Yeah, could be our navigational console.
Think this guy will mind if we hijack his ship?
Let's see what Casey comes up with.
He looks like he's studying some kind of readout. Oh, he's adjusting those light beams.
What's that thing in the center?
I don't know, Harry, but things are starting to heat up around here. Look, we gotta do something. We gotta do something now. Oh, shit, he sees us. All right, go for the nav consoles. I'll cover you.
Wait, Zach, don't shoot it. It's unarmed. We gotta try and communicate.
How? Come on, this thing isn't exactly happy to see us, Harry.
Casey? Zach, look. Something's coming out.
Whoa. Look at that thing.
That shell was some kind of chrysalis. This is fantastic. We must be the first humans ever to witness this.
Yeah, right. I hope we don't look like appetizers.
It looks different from the other creatures we've seen. Look, the other one is bowing. Maybe this is the new queen. We should make a gesture. Bow, Zach.
What? No, no way. Ow. What? Ow.
Artemis log. The force field created by the creatures which call themselves SETI protected us and the ship from the intense heat. The Kryn either fled or were destroyed when we passed through the star's corona. The newly born queen possesses race memory and incredible psychokinetic abilities. She improved Casey's translation abilities and then answered many of our questions. She even repaired the Artemis.
Yeah, Harry, we're receiving a transmission from the Daedalus. Putting it on screen. You know, Case, you were right all along. There is no such thing as a hopeless situation. And, being that there's no such thing as a hopeless situation, Harry, I was wondering if you would come with me to check out. I'm having a problem with the mattress in the stateroom, and it seems to not be level, and I would need somebody to lay on the other side of it. There's this an electronic gadget I got from Vesuvius 7. I don't really know how it works, but maybe you could show it to me. Or not.